So a lot of the time you're in a hurry and you're looking for a healthy breakfast. Now I'm going to show you a way to create a smoothie using some really basic principles that's going to keep you full, it's going to be deliciously tasting, but as well as that it's going to protect you from horrible diseases like cancer, diabetes and improve tissue repair at the same time. Just going to add half a cup of water to the blender. Then going to add our soy protein. Soy is great, it has a higher absorption rate than beef when it comes to protein. Obviously you get the added benefits of it having quite a low correlation or a reverse correlation to causing cancer. A spoon of chia seeds, and we're just going to blend that up for a few seconds. So now what I've got here is a cup of frozen berries, banana, and also a bowl of spinach. Now what I'm going to do is get this going, get it to blend, and I'm going to slowly add them as we go. That's all you need to do to make your perfect breakfast smoothie. I'll be interested to hear your thoughts on how you feel when you substitute something like this for breakfast instead of something like bread or cereal based. Follow the guidelines below, let me know, and remember, if you ever need any help with your health, fitness or pain and mental health, then all you need to do is contact us to book a free consultation.